Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam, and this is where I talk about all things sewing. And today I've got another prize reveal for Sew Frugal 22, and if you're not sure what that is, that's a challenge that myself and Ruan, the Yorkshire Sew Girl, are holding over on Instagram during the month of March. Essentially it's a challenge for using what you have, so we're asking you to use a free pattern that's available to everybody, fabric from your stash, and the reveal date is on the 31st of March over on Instagram. Along with that, we've got over 70 vloggers making videos with inspiration for you, so if you're a little bit stuck of what to make, then we've got vloggers talking about all sorts of different patterns, children's patterns, plus size patterns, patterns from Canadian designers. There's a whole range of different takes on it. Today's vloggers are Elle from Elle and the Stitchers and Sequoia Lynn Sews. And also Elisa, who is my superpower, had a delay getting her video up the other day, and that's available to watch now. Loads and loads of free, new to me sewing patterns on there for children, so good one to watch. So if you look below in my description box, there is a link to the playlist and all the videos have been added there. I also add links to everything that I'll talk about down below as well. So today's prize reveal is from the Fabric Revival. This is a new to me fabric shop, and I think they only started in December last year. So this is a small independent fabric shop for dressmaking essentially, and they also have buttons on there. So the prize is 2 meters of their yarn dyed lilac gingham fabric. It's a poly cotton and it's actually designed by Pigeon Wishes, and along with that there is some buttons from Pigeon Wishes as well. Yarn dye fabric is actually dyed before it's woven, and it gives it that bit more colour resistance when you wash it. It doesn't fade as much. That means it's not going to ruin your other clothes whilst it's in the wash, so I think that's a good one. So this isn't a voucher like some of the others. This is a bundle of the 2 meters of the lilac gingham and the buttons, and it will be UK only will this prize. So ideas for what to make with the fabric, what they've suggested on the website, something with soft billowy sleeves, and I thought I'd bring along my Paddington top, which is available through Peppermint magazine, and that's designed by French Navy. So I thought I'd talk about this because I've seen quite a few vloggers mention the Paddington top during the challenge, and I really love mine. And like I say, they suggested something with soft billowy sleeves, which this has got. Just elasticated at the bottom there, comes to about here, about just above your elbow, and just a simple wide scoop neck, comes down to the hip. All party at the back is this one. Mandy's a bit reluctant to turn around, but I'm going to make it. So yeah, you've just got the buttons down the back there, which actually can be omitted if you don't want that feature, but I quite liked it and I put snaps in instead of buttons. Raglan sleeves, and then they've made a feature of this facing by top stitching. Mine's actually made in a Swiss dot cotton. So yeah, I thought I'd feature that one for you because I've seen it mentioned a few times, and I thought it'd be nice for you to see it actually being made up. So that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back tomorrow with another prize reveal. Bye.